So here are the live hands-on images of the Nothing Phone 2a. Yes, these images have leaked on Reddit indicating that the Phone 2 is going to launch very soon. Looking at the front of the phone, it resembles the Phone 2 and I like how Nothing has provided symmetrical bezels in a budget phone. Unfortunately, we cannot see the back of the phone due to the anti-leak case, but that's alright as we already know how the phone will look from the back. It seems that Nothing is slowly entering the budget phone market and expanding their phone segment. First they launched an upper mid-range phone 1 and they released the flagship phone called Phone 2. Now they are all set to make their debut in the budget segment. The two previous phones have made promises to deliver their best performance and they have actually performed very well in day-to-day life. The highlight of the devices is the glyph interface, and in the upcoming Phone 2a we will also get to see this innovation included. In the Phone 2a we only get to see 3 of the glyph LED lights. Of course, this is a budget phone, which is why the company has cut cost on the components. Despite that, we still get some of the Phone 2 features, and even Nothing has been confirmed. It is awesome that they might use some of the Phone 2 features in the Phone 2a. Talking about the CPU, I'm still confused about why Nothing has gone for the MediaTek 7200 chip and why not the Snapdragon 6 or 7 series. I'm not saying that the MediaTek 7200 is not good, but the Snapdragon chip would have given the phone a good reputation in the market. Anyway, moving on, the phone comes with some good features as well, like a 6.7 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz screen. The phone might run on Android 13 most likely. Camera wise, the phone will come with a great combo of a 50 megapixel Samsung GN9 plus 50 megapixel JN1 back camera, a 32 megapixel Sony IMX615 front camera. And the color options are the following: black and white. Sincerely, Nothing should have gone for more color options this time. It would have been a nice chance to experiment. Moving on, a few days back, the trustworthy tipster Ronald Quant has posted on X regarding the price and RAM options of the phone. According to the tipster, the mid-range device will be priced around 400 euros in Europe and will be available in black and white. The base model will get 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. There will also be one with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, but the price for this one hasn't been outed yet. Judging by the fact that the Nothing Phone 2 launched at $599 in the US and 649 euros in the Europe, the Nothing Phone 2a could be around $349 in the US in the best case scenario, or most likely $399. So what do you think of this Nothing Phone 2a? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.